social media niya. Number 1 sa social media, organic and paid. Not the Tulfo brothers. Bong Revilla. So, we can just cross-check the data, sir. Gaano kalaki yun, but we don't have that data. That's the key. We can only make assumptions, eto yung ginagastos mo. But we will not know the exact amount. We cannot rely on that quantitative data na purely estimate. We cannot do guesstimate. Not in our field. Of course, we don't want to be, of course, judged by academic institutions. Estimate lang po yan. But if there's firm data, ilabas ang ABS, GMA, Facebook, then we can get the data. Any other questions po? It's 10 minutes before 2 before we wrap things up. Yes, sir.
Sir Chris Lucas po ng DCRJ.
Sir Chris.
I just want to know what's your take sa connotation na ang mga survey ay mind conditioning tool naman.
Oo, mind conditioning.
Mind conditioning, or yun po, yun naman laging comments po natin, mind conditioning, maaga po yan. Ang survey po kasi, or research in general, it's a snapshot of the sentiment of people at any given time. Yun po yung advantage namin sa Tangeray. Kasi when we did the survey, November 6 to 9, yung lumabas po recently sa other survey firms, matagal na po yan. October pa, September pa ginawa. Amin recently lang po siya. So that's the reason why immediately after our survey, we're publishing it kaagad. Ito ang sentimiento ng mga tao sa time na to. If it's mind conditioning for you, that you're entitled to your opinion. But what we're releasing now is data. And what we're really proud of sa Tangeray, ang sumagot po nito, na-survey na po ba kayo? Hindi ba?
PSA.
What we're really proud of sa Tangeray, and ito din po yung nagustuhan po sa amin ng mga brands, tunay na tao po yung sumasagot. I'm not saying sa mga ibang research firms, hindi tunay na tao. Ang nagustuhan sa amin ni McDo, when we did our product testing sa kanila, nakita nila yung mga nanay, may bit-bit na bata. Natutuwa sila na ito talaga yung sentiment ng mga nanay na may gitong anak. Unlike yung mga previous supplier nila, the food is very technical ng sagot nila. Kami, sentimiento ng nanay. Kami ngayon, ang pinapakita po namin is the sentiment of the Tangeray community. And we're using our methodology to make it representative of the Philippines as well. Yun po siya, sir.
How do you choose your